Get ready to experience the 2026 Chery Omoda C7, a compact crossover SUV that blends modern design, smart tech and hybrid performance in one sleek package. This model marks an evolution in Chery's Omoda brand as it brings a striking look featuring a hexagonal grille that tapers toward the center, creating a gradient effect, recessed door handles, and a floating roof design with a black painted roof and pillars. Inside, the driver and passengers are greeted by a 15.6-inch infotainment touchscreen with impressive 2.5K resolution and 1000 nit brightness that can slide from center to passenger side, offering both visibility and interactivity. Sitting inside, the cabin feels premium with nubuck leather seats, and the audio experience is taken up a notch with a 12+ 2-speaker Sony system, including 2 speakers embedded in the driver's headrest, ideal for crisp voice prompts and clearer phone calls. Adding to comfort is an active noise cancellation setup along with smart features designed for peace and quiet even on busy roads. Powering the Omoda C7 are 2 compelling setups. The fully petrol-powered variant runs a 1.6-liter turbocharged inline-4 mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. More compelling perhaps is the plug-in hybrid version using Chery's super hybrid system, combining a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine delivering 115 kilowatts paired with an electric motor. This arrangement yields an all-electric range around 95 kilometers, a combined driving span reaching nearly 1,250 kilometers, and efficient fuel consumption of around 4.98 L, 100 kilometers once the battery is depleted. The vehicle measures approximately 4,660 millimeters in length, 1875 m wide, and 1670 m tall, with a wheelbase of 2,720 millimeters, striking a balance between compact agility and roomy functionality. The iCartea report highlights a design approach tailored for extreme heat resilience, a very real advantage in hot climates. Tested in one of the world's hottest regions, Turpan in China, the cabin's temp rose to 62 degrees Celsius before the advanced AC cooled it down to a comfortable 28.3 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. That same source also covers why the hybrid variant thrives in these environments, offering strong performance, efficiency, and reliability across a variety of driving conditions, including both city streets and highways, proven over a 1457 km test journey. Not many manufacturers prioritize heat endurance in design, yet the Omoda C7 stands out with award-winning styling, smart comfort features, including sliding screen, noise control, and hybrid power, and an air conditioning system built for extreme environments. You'll appreciate the seamless integration of advanced features with practicality. The sliding touchscreen, smart cozy cabin, hybrid performance, and heat hardiness all point to a car built with real-world durability and style in mind. You can imagine how watching this vehicle in action on video, from first drives to tech walk-arounds, will highlight its sharp styling, responsive drive, and clever comforts. Whether showcasing how that sliding screen works, testing the AC capabilities in heat, or cruising in electric mode, there's storytelling gold. As the Omoda brand continues to expand globally and cater to markets with hot climates, the 2026 Omoda C7 exemplifies a future-ready vehicle that combines innovation, usability and resilience. It's a compelling proposition for anyone looking for a compact hybrid SUV with smart features and serious substance. If you enjoyed this overview and want more in-depth looks at features, performance or comparisons to rivals, stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming videos where we take these systems for a spin and dive deeper into what makes this SUV so special. See you in the next ride, and remember to hit that subscribe button.